here today framing out the niche and putting the cement board up, and I just wanted to show you guys how to center your niche to make sure that it looks right inside the bathroom, inside your shower. So first thing you need to know is where your glass door is going to go. So when you figure out your center of your curb, mark that line up here, and then that's going to be your line for where you're going to find out the center. Because if we just centered it on this whole wall and we put the glass door, then it would have looked, shorter on this side and wider on this side. So now our glass is going to be about 2.5 inches in, which will give us a 3-inch reveal here and a 3-inch reveal here. First, as you build it, it looks a little funky, but once the glass goes in, it's all going to look nice and centered. And at this point, we're almost done with the whole cement board process. Once we do that, we're gonna patch up the seams and do some waterproofing on here, and we're almost done.